What's up, Toneway Academy? Let's open up a demo together, okay? Open up your MetaTrader, okay? Open this up, and I'm gonna just start fresh. I'm gonna just act like I'm about to do a whole brand new account. I'm gonna hit the plus sign in the top corner, boom. I'm gonna just open that plus sign up there. That's how you start it. Open up a new demo account. Click that, okay? The very first one up at the top. Now, open that search thing. Is gonna ask you what to type in. Type in HUGO'S way, because that's our banker slash broker. Y'all remember when I was talking about the banker broker thing? That's our broker. So type in Hugo. Let's get a Hugo way demo because this is a lot easier, okay? As y'all see, you already got my registration and stuff like that already in. Now go down to where it say leverage. You see it say one, yeah, right there. Now, I like to keep my leverage just regular because that's just what it's going to be on, okay? Now, deposit, it's going to start off at 100,000. I put mine on 3,000, okay? If you start off at 500 billion, you don't ever think that money. You don't know what to do with that. Even with that, you don't know what to do with that. Go to 3,000, something more realistic, something everybody that had $3,000 before. So that's a good lot size. That's the smallest lot size that we can start with. So let's start with the 3,000, okay? Register. It's gonna give you a little username and stuff like that. Just press save. You're not gonna need this. It's demo. Don't worry about remembering it, screenshotting it. Don't worry about clipping it, copying it, none of that. Press done. Okay. Now, boom, we got our account made. Okay. Our account is ready. It got 3,000 in it, and here go all the pairs that we have. AUDSU, that's the Australian dollar. You feel me? It got the Japanese yen on there. It got the Canadian dollar. But don't worry about that. We about to add some of the sauce on there. Okay. Hit that plus sign up in the top corner. And then we're going to open up Indices, the second one, Indices. Open up Indices. I need everybody to add NAS 100. As you can see, it say NAS 100 and SPX 500. Both of those two is fire. Those are fire ass pairs, okay, guys? Those are the pairs that I trade on personally. So you got different pairs, though. You got exotics, you got cryptos. Add the Bitcoin, too. That's BTC right here. Wait, where's that? Yeah, BTC USD, okay? Bitcoin versus US dollar. Just add that just to have it. It's just a cryptocurrency. It don't really hurt to play with Bitcoin from time to time. They get pretty good money too. But you got shit like stocks you see is up there. Apple up there. You feel me? You got Amazon. You can fucking play with the stocks too. It's kind of just like the stock market as well. So if you into the stock market and you want to add stocks and you want to trade on different stocks and shit, feel free to add any stock that you see that you like. Go ahead and add them. Fuck with them on a demo. You know, try to learn those and see what's going on, okay? Now, we going to get out the stocks. We're going to go, oh, they got Google on there, bruh. They got eBay, bruh. They got the sauce on here. Let's add Google just because, okay? Now, let's get out of stocks. They got energies, metals, futures. You feel me? These are all different type of pairs, okay? Energies. These got like gases and oils, U.S. oil and stuff. So if you like into that and you want to like trade with that, you can. Metals, it got like silver and gold and stuff like that. Platinum. If you want to add any of those, feel free. Silver and gold do make money, but they are very tricky markets as well. So I don't really fuck with them. Dollar. That's the cool future. You can add that, but I don't really add it. Okay, so back to all the pairs that we got. So now we have all the pairs, but guess what we got now? SPX 500, NAS 100, Bitcoin, Tesla, Microsoft. Them just a few that I just added on there just for the purpose of the video, just to see it. You feel me? Not necessarily because I use those at all. Just it's all for demonstration purposes only. Okay, guys? I just literally made a new fake account. This don't really even mean nothing. Okay, just to show y'all how to do it. Now hit the settings down in the corner. Okay, I want everybody to go to charts. Y'all seen that? Charts. You probably gonna start off on a bar chart, a candlestick, or a line chart. Put it on candlesticks. That's what I just taught y'all about, the candlesticks, okay? How to read the candlesticks, okay? Line chart can be very tricky. Turn everything on. You see everything was green? Cut everything on, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go to colors down at the bottom. That's how I got to this page. It say colors, okay? My scheme is on custom. I keep my foreground on white. My grid is on pink because I'm a girl. I mean, your boys feel free to change it to like blue or whatever. You know, just don't put it on red or green. Put it on any other color besides red or green because we use red and green to trade with. Bar up, obviously green. Bar down, red. Bull candle, what? Green. Bear candle, what? Red, okay? Line chart, put it on green. Volumes, again, any color you pick. That don't really, you know what I'm saying? It don't really matter. I just put mine on pink because it just gives my chart more of a female feel. I don't know. I just like it to look a little bit more girly, I guess. My bid price line, I got my bid price and ask price line on blue and yellow because it's just easier for me to read. My trade level, I just changed it to blue today because I was noticing in my videos when I was saying, look at where I jumped in at. It's a green line. People really couldn't see it, so I changed it to blue. But You guys can feel free to change your bid price line and stuff like that to whatever color. I just prefer mine to be on blue and yellow because those are like brighter colors and it's easier to kind of pop out so I can see where the market is actually going, and y'all will see where, you know, what those lines is when I go back to my chart in a second. But trade level, again, I put mine on blue so it could be a little bit easier to see on that black background right there. Get out, go back to the colors and stuff, and then you know that stop level down there, put that on red. Okay, go back. Oh yeah, that's my colors again. I hit that back button in the top corner to get back to this chart. Now go back again. Now hit your charts down there. Boom. Now your chart should look like this. Okay, your chart should look like this. It should look similar to this. It don't necessarily have to be those exact colors, but if you feel like that's easier, that do make sense, Toneway Santana, I could definitely, you know, see how that can work for you. Boom. I want to keep mine the same as yours. Feel free to take those same colors and put them. You feel me? It don't really matter. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. See you on the next one.